Class 9. Today we will discuss about the different classification of the forest. So we'll start with the tropical rainforest. In tropical rainforest, the tropical rainforest are confined to area of heavy rainfall. Tropical rainforest जिसे tropical evergreen forest भी कहा जाता है, ये उस एरियाज में पाए जाते हैं जहाँ पे हैवी रेनफॉल देखने को मिलता है. एरियाज विच रिसीव मोर देन 200 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ रेनफॉल, तो ये कंडीशन रिक्वायर होती है कि इफ़ देर इज़ अ 200 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ रेनफॉल आर देयर देन यू कैन फाइंड द tropical evergreen or rainforest over there. So in India there are many places which receive more than 200 centimeter of rainfall. So we will discuss the areas later. Almost all kind of vegetation like trees, shrubs, creepers are found in such a forest. तो in these type of forest you will find every kind of vegetation, जिसमें पेड़ भी हैं, झाड़ियाँ भी हैं, क्रीपर्स भी, जो बेलें होती हैं वो भी आपको इसमें मिलेगी. Ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, cinchona are some of the commercially important trees of tropical rainforest. और इन tropical rainforest में, इन जंगलों में जो important trees पाए जाते हैं जिनका कमर्शियली यूज़ ज़्यादा किया जाता है वो है ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber and cinchona. These are the trees which wood is used for the commercial purpose, for a timber purpose, okay, for furniture or household works which are made from these trees. So these are the important kind of trees you will find in the tropical evergreen forest. In terms of animals, we see the elephant, monkey, lemur and deer. These are the common animals found in this forest. Apart from them, a large number of birds, bats, sloths, scorpion and snails are also found in tropical rainforest. So you will find different type of animals. In India, these forests are found in the Western Ghat, upper part of Assam, Tamil Nadu coast and the island group of Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar. So in Indian map, you can see that these areas are the tropical evergreen forest areas. You can see the Assam area in the Western Ghat and Tamil Nadu coastal areas and Andaman and Nicobar island groups of India. So there you will find more than 200 centimeter of rainfall. So there is a best condition for the growth of the tropical evergreen forest. Now we talk about the most widespread forest of India. In these we have tropical deciduous forest. Okay, tropical deciduous forest are the most widespread forest of India. You can see trees around you. They all are comes under the tropical deciduous forest. They are spread in those regions which get rainfall between 200 centimeter and 70 centimeter. So you see that more than 200 centimeter rainfall you will find the tropical evergreen forest, and if rainfall is between 200 centimeter to 70 centimeter, in this area you will find tropical deciduous forest. So this type of forest shed their leaves during a dry season. That's why they are called tropical deciduous. They are also called the monsoon forest. The tree of tropical deciduous forest shed their leaves during summer. These forests can be divided into two types on the basis of availability of water. So इनको डिवाइड किया जाता है दो हिस्सों में on the availability of water. So these are the areas of tropical deciduous in India. You can see they are the most widespread. Now we talk about the classification. First we have the moist deciduous forest. Moist means जहाँ पे आपको ह्यूमिडिटी या नमी ज़्यादा दिखाई देगी वहाँ पर moist deciduous forest पाया जाएगा. And the second we have the dry deciduous forest where you will find less humidity. You can see in the part of western Rajasthan and all other the plains of India. In most deciduous forest we receive rainfall between 200 centimeter to 100 centimeter. The first categorization is the rainfall difference. You will see the rainfall received by most deciduous forest is 200 to 100 centimeter, and on the other side you will find in the dry deciduous forest these regions receive rainfall between 100 to 70 centimeters. So there is a double difference you can see. Second, such forests are found mainly in the eastern part of India like northeastern state along the foothills of Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Odisha and Chhattisgarh. So the area where you will find the most deciduous forest are northeastern state, foothills of Himalaya, Himalaya का जो नीचे का हिस्सा है, Jharkhand, western Odisha and the Chhattisgarh. These areas you will find the moist deciduous forest. They receive rainfall between 200 to 100 centimeter. And on the other side, such forests are found in the rainier part of the peninsula plateau and the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. So dry deciduous forest you will find mostly in the Bihar and Uttar Pradesh area where you will receive rainier parts, okay, the 100 to 70 centimeter of rainfall. They are also found in the eastern slopes of Western Ghat, and they are also found on the eastern side. You see that there is a leeward side and windward side. So on the leeward side you will find on the Western Ghat moist deciduous forest. Okay, on the windward side you will find tropical evergreen forest. So the example of trees are here: teak, bamboo, sal, sesame, sandalwood, khair, kusum, arjun, mulberry. So these are the example of commercially important trees of tropical deciduous forest. You see the trees around you, they are the most common example of tropical deciduous forest. An example of animals: lion, tiger, pig, deer, elephant. These are the common animals found in this forest. Additionally, a large variety of bird, lizards, snakes and tortoises are also found in this forest. So these type of animals and trees are found in these forest. So we have two types of forest we have discussed: tropical evergreen and tropical deciduous. In next lecture we will talk about the different type of forest. Okay.